Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we will explore how to generate food photography using a structure reference image in Adobe Firefly. First, what I want to generate an image of sliced egg against a black background with a tomato sauce splash in a food photography style. Second, what I will use for this project. I will be using an old PC screen, my camera, you can use your phone, an egg, Adobe Firefly. Third, steps of work. First, I took a photo with my camera from a good angle. Look, this is the photo. Next, I open Adobe Firefly to complete the work. In Adobe Firefly, I select the aspect ratio landscape for 3 because the photo I took is in 4:3. For the content type, I chose photo. Now I upload the photo I took as a structure reference. For the lighting, I select Studio Light. And that's it. Now for the prompt, let's play with words. So this is the final prompt. Sliced egg with tomato sauce splashing, isolated on a black background, flying bread, texture of splashes. Now let's generate. I'm waiting for the result. Oh, this is amazing. It's not exactly what I was planning, but I like these images, especially this one. I will download them. Oh, I see what happened. I made a typo. Instead of writing flying egg, I wrote flying bread. Now let's play with words again. Instead of tomato, I'm going with flour powder splash. Generate. This time I don't like the result. Okay, it's not a problem. We are enjoying the process here. Let's play with words once more. How about being more artistic? Let's go with this prompt: sliced egg, fried egg, isolated on a black background, splashes of flowers and frozen motion. Yeah, these are good. I like the touch of flowers in food photography. I'm satisfied with the first and third trial results. You can try different approaches